Hi guys, here to talk about what you get as far as training goes with your packages. It says it's free, but it is really loaded with stuff. First of all, you become a VIP. That means you get access to IICRC instructor, master cleaner, and you can click on this link and I'll show you that it's verified legit. And then you get straight numbers to trainers and mechanics and their contacts. So if there's anything that you need, it's taken care of by us. Registering your business, you can learn how to go through the steps and register your business if you haven't done that, but most people have probably already done that. Training videos, you get the most important one, which is the carpet cleaning training. It was updated summer of 2020 and it's got all the little changes and stuff that are happening in our industry, the different types of fibers and how to clean them, what kinds of spots and stains you get. Basically teaches you how chemistry applies to carpet cleaning. Then you have the fiber ID. Fiber ID is an important thing to know if something is synthetic or natural. This teaches you how to do that. Newer people don't really understand the pressure, how that works, so how you connect and disconnect your hoses and your solution lines. We teach you about the jets, the different sizes jets, and how jets can actually control your heat and a lot of other things. You learn why you get callbacks. The two top reasons for callbacks are basically a spot came back, it usually wicks up, or if there was residue left. So we discussed that and how to eliminate those. 5 things you need to do to start a successful business, the proper way to use a wand, carpet cleaning employee training. This is actually really intensive. It's a actual job that 2 carpet cleaners show up at, meet a customer, do an estimate, clean the carpet, show you how to use different products and techniques, do stairs, do upholstery, very thorough on the job training. Commercial carpet cleaning marketing. This video has made many millionaires over the years. It basically teaches you how to get the work for commercial jobs and basically the process that you have to go through. Relatively easy. Marketing principles and how they applied to carpet cleaning basically gives you the concept of what your customer's mind is thinking. So when you do design an ad, it can be based on that. Next one is the marketing the next level. Teaches you how to maximize your ticket. So when you're there, it teaches you how you need to ask them for extra things and maybe give an estimate and how to get the maximum amount of money you possibly can. Bill Mountain Training is the instructor of ours. He teaches this donut strategy that he used to build up his business. In this video, he teaches you wood floor cleaning and sealing, how to do that. This right here teaches you how to test your wood floors so you can price them correctly and know what time it's going to take you. This is the Tylenol grout cleaning classic, which was made back in, I believe, 2003. It's just still the go-to video for people who want to learn. Not much has changed, by the way, so information is still relevant. Advanced spot and stain for people who've kind of made it through the first level and they want to get really deep into spot and stain removal, they can watch that. Book-wise, you get Advanced Carpet Cleaning Technician Manual, IICRC, that teaches you everything about carpet cleaning. You get the Upholstery and Furniture Cleaning Manual. You get the Upholstery Cleaning Checklist, which basically keeps you out of trouble, and it will tell you every step what you have to do. For example, you do a fiber ID, you do a test on shrinkage and stuff like that. Carpet Cleaning Technician PowerPoint is basically the 2-day IICRC class in its entirety. You also get the duct cleaning package. It is an actual job, just like the carpet cleaning one that we had, where you go to the job, meet a customer, and go through the whole job from beginning to end. You learn about the different types of residential and commercial duct cleaning. You get pricing. You get a spreadsheet that has the average price in the US per square foot, per room, price for upholstery cleaning, price for tile and grout cleaning in just incredible detail. You also get a spreadsheet where you can put your cost down and it can tell you what your operation cost is and tag on your profit and give you an exact square footage price. You also get fresh pressure washing pricing training, a sample invoice for pressure washing where you can change your, put your logo on it and use that not just as an invoice but also an estimate. So when you're outside and you see someone's house is dirty, like say for example the siding and all that, you can just fill this form out and leave it at their door. It helps with marketing quite a bit, getting jobs. Pet odor article, a lot of our customers have pet urine issues, so this teaches you how to address that. You also get the invoice for carpet cleaning. It's a pre-made invoice, has all the disclaimers on it, and it's professional, so all you got to do is add your logo on it and if you need to make any changes. You also learn about advanced pricing because some of the bigger jobs, they need to be priced based on your labor and how much it's going to cost you and how much you want to make. So instead of just guessing on jobs, you want to do that accurately. And for people who are growing their businesses, you get an employee manual where you can change just the certain things that are different about your company, but it's a full, complete employee manual that you can customize. And then after you do that, you want to call us, take a test, a really small, short test, and that teaches you, gives you the certificate. And then finally, you get 30% off your Magic Wand chemistry. So if there's anything that you need to buy in addition to what you've bought, you get a discount on that the first time you get it. So there you go. It's quite a lot of stuff, and we found that when we do a good job at this, our customers are more successful, and when our customers are more successful, then we are also more successful. So thanks for watching. Bye.